So hi guys and welcome to Drive Spark. I'm Promeet Ghosh and today we are reviewing our product. Now before I start telling about this product, let me tell you one thing, that riding a motorcycle is really awesome, especially during the monsoons. And one thing is really mandatory for you, especially for your safety, is wearing a helmet. First of all, helmets are mandatory for your safety and helmets do look cool. But some people don't wear helmets because they think that after wearing a helmet, their hair will get spoiled and they will start sweating. So this is where this product comes in place. So yeah guys, this is the Blu Snap 2. This is from Blu Armour and today we are going to unbox this and I'm going to tell you what this product is all about. So yeah, let's get started. Let me just unbox this. Okay. So you got some phone packing. You get a map inside this. Now this is actually not a map, but it's more like a comic. So yeah, out of this you get some cool stickers. And you get a manual. So yeah guys, please remember to read the manual before you install this. And yeah, that's about it. Now let's get to the product. So over here you get a few things. First you get a USB charging cable. You get an extender. This is the air duct. This is the snap-on tool with 3M tape on it, as you can see over here, that goes onto your helmet. And this is the main unit guys. So this is how the unit looks like. And so there are 5 things in the box. Now let me just read out. Okay, so this has a few features over here. It says dust-free riding, personalized cooling, that this will cool the inside of the helmet from as low as 6 to 15 degrees from the outside temperature. It also acts as a defogger. It's written over here, dust-free cooling and defog over here. And it has a rechargeable battery, so the battery lasts for 10 hours and you can charge this product in 5 to 6 hours maybe. It's a snap and go. It applies on any traffic conditions, especially over here in Mumbai where there is too much of moisture and I mean you start sweating and you get fog inside the helmet that you can't see the road. So this helps as a quick defogger also. It has a water-based cooling that I will tell you later. It's mounted on the chin and dunk and ride. So yeah, you get 5 things with it. As I told you, you get a chin mount, a USB cable, an extender, air duct or air vent, and the main unit. Now I'll show you how to assemble this. So this is the main unit. If you have a helmet that has a long or a broad chin, so what you do is you put the extender on this. So the extender goes on like this. And after you put it, you put the vent or the air duct. There you go. This is to charge. You have a charging socket over here, so you can charge it. Right now, it's showing full charge. There are 4 levels. There are 4 lights. It is full charged right now. You have this mount, the chin mount. So this goes on top like this. So there you go. Now this is how you assemble the unit. So this is how the unit looks. And now let me talk about it. This is the power button over here. So once you press this, there you go, you can hear there is a fan inside and the fan is on and you can get cool breeze from here. I can get some cool breeze from here. This is how the unit looks and this is how it works. So you press once to put it on. You can see, you can hear it, you can hear the fan and you can put it off. Now you have one more thing over here. So if you notice over here, you find a small space where you can pull this out. Now this is a foam. Now basically what was written over there, the dunk and ride. Now you can, and I have tried this out. So to get the maximum cooling effect, what you can do is you can just dip this in water, in cold water. So this absorbs a lot of water. So what happens is that after this absorbs a lot of water, you dip it in cold water and you just put this back on. So what will happen is that now this thing is filled with cold water. So once you press this on, what happens is that this sucks in air, it condenses the air inside, makes it cold and throws it out from you. Now I'll show you how to assemble this unit onto the helmet. So you have this 3M tape over here. You can remove the 3M tape. This actually goes on any helmet, any full face. So this is a universal product for any full face helmet. You can just fold this behind and there you go. So this is how the product fits on the helmet. This is how it will look. I will just wear it and show it to you. So yeah guys, this is how the product looks on the helmet, and once this is on, this is stuck to it, you can just press this. And there you go. I can feel cool breeze coming out of this. Now this is really awesome. I have a very tight helmet, so what you can do is before going out for a ride, you can put this on and keep the helmet and cool the helmet for I guess 2-3 minutes. It will drop the temperature and then you can wear the helmet. So this is actually how it looks like. You can close the visor. There you go. So this is how the product looks like on the helmet. Some people might find this product a bit bulky, might find it a bit odd to put it on the helmet because it is too big. But let me tell you one thing, that this product does not actually put on any weight. This weighs close to 230 grams. So once it's on the chin, you do not feel the pressure on the neck at all. And this is a really cool product. So this retails at double to double nine, that's 2,299 rupees, inclusive of all GSTs. And you can go to the bluarmourhelmets.com and you can order this product. So this is the Blu Snap 2 from Blu Armour. It's a very cool product. I have been using this and I'm really satisfied. As I told you, some people won't find it very useful because it is quite a bulky product. But yeah, in these weather conditions over here, especially in Mumbai that we are riding, and especially during the rains where you get a lot of fog on the visor, this is the right product. It may be a bit pricey, but it is absolutely fantastic. That was Blu Snap 2 from Blu Armour, and I hope you like this product and I hope you like this video also. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to all our social media channels. Till then, I'm Promit signing out. See you next time. Thank you for watching.